Now here are the questions or assignment that I am talking about. I have given you some easy questions for you to note down, or you can write the answers in your notebook. That first question is, define biology and mention its three main branches. So you can note it down. That first question is, define biology and mention its three main branches. Now question number 2, enlist the name of some flora and fauna of your surrounding or environment. Maybe some of you may face few difficulties in this question if you don't know this word flora and fauna. Flora is related to plant life and fauna is related to animal life. So my question here, you can note it down, that enlist the name of some flora and fauna of your surrounding environment. If I say the plant life flora, if I give you the clue that botanical gardens where you find different types of plants, or herbaria, right? They are examples of flora. In the same manner, fauna is related to animal life. So the zoo or zoological park is example of fauna. Now question third is, define the terms morphology, anatomy and histology. You can note it down that you have to write the answer of this term, morphology, anatomy and histology. I have taught you a short while ago, so you have to write the answers of these three: morphology, anatomy and histology. Now next question is very easy. Who coined the term biology? And write the other name of biology. This again we have done during the course of my lecture. Who coined the term biology? And write the other name of biology. Now the question number 5, define science and mention its two branches. So as I discussed in the initially, that I just defined science and what are its two main branches, so you have to write in your notebook. So question number 5 is, define science and mention its two main branches. Now next and last question is, what is that which is found in trees and leaves but not in fruits? So just understand my question. What is that which is found in trees and leaves but not in fruits? Yes, anyone can tell me right now. Just think it over and answer me. So I think you have noted all these questions. You can see the clue in the last question is given here. It is interesting question, and I hope that the answer of this question will make you laugh, or some of you will definitely laugh, because I have given you here a clue or hint for question number 6, that there is no biological answers. So if you see some students say that it is chlorophyll, some students say differently, but yes, you just think and let me check if any of you are able to answer these questions or not. If not, then I will tell you the answer in my next lecture. Now children, this is all about today's lecture. Still I say, initially I told you my class is dialogue. So you are right free to ask me questions. If you have any doubt, you can just ask me, or if not, then I hope that you have understood my lecture, and I promise that I shall make my lectures interesting. Biology is quite curious. It is an inquisitive branch of science that makes you curious towards learning. You study about your life, you study about yourself, right? You know that human being, the wonderful or marvel of, right, creatures, the, you can say, the supreme creatures created by nature or God. So you study, right, all about human beings, the living beings, right, in life processes. You will study about the different processes in our body, that is metabolism, right, the nutrition, the respiration, the circulation. So many interesting topics is to follow. So this is all for today's lecture, children. Thank you very much. God bless you and have a wonderful day.